Students, welcome to 30th session. In this session, we are going to work out the graphical location of the median. So in the previous sessions, we have worked out how to calculate the median in a discrete series, continuous series, and then in the continuous series by using formula. So one of the method of method of finding the median is also that is graphical method. That means through graphical method also we can locate the median, because we know that this is a positional average. This can be shown through a particular position. So for this purpose, this also we have studied under the cumulative frequency distributions, graphical location of the cumulative frequency distribution in the graphic and as well as a diagrammatic chapter, but I have not shown the median in that in this class. Now I am showing the how we can locate the median in the graphically also. Okay, let us study how it is can be located. For this purpose, we should have a cumulative frequency distribution. Suppose even if you have given a frequency distribution either exclusive or inclusive, first we have to convert it that into inclusive, that is exclusive class interval, then we have to find out. So here it is given that less than 419.5, 429.5, 439.5, like this. So cumulative frequencies are given. How we can work out this? So what is the procedure? This is a problem. So we are given already converted here. We have already told you that in the less than frequency, we are usually given the, that is upper limit. We don't know the lower limit. So here we have to find out the lower limit of these class intervals. That's all. So first step, what is the steps to be involved in calculate the median by using less than argues approach? Convert the series into less than cumulative frequency distribution as shown above. So we're already cumulative distribution is there. Cumulative distribution, where problem is already in a cumulative distribution, no need to cumulate the frequency here. Let n be the total number of students whose data is given. So here continuously we are already given. So to locate this formula we can use, that is n by 2, and there's that is 200 divided by 200 students. This can be shown here. So from the point way, so let us see this one. So we are given the class interval. Remember, student, whatever the information we are given the class interval. This is less than series and this cumulative frequency. Always locate the frequencies on the y-axis. Remember, I have already told. And then always locate the class interval on x-axis. So class intervals are given 419.5 to 429.5. So first class. So 419.5. This is 0. This first class I am taking 419.5 to 429, 439. This is class interval. And then cumulative frequency. What is the highest frequency here? Lowest. Lowest is 14, highest is 200. So it is better to take 10. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 frequencies. Then it can be shown here. There are here 20. I have taken 20 here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, like that. That means here 10 inches are taken. 10 inches. 1 centimeter is equal to 20, that is frequency. Cumulate them. Cumulative frequencies are shown on y-axis. Class intervals are shown on x-axis. Now, what is the value for the 419.5? 419.5 is 14. 429, 34. 419, that is here. It is here. 14, not on, it is here. 419 is here. That means this is 20. So for off we have 10. So 419, that is here. 14 here. 34, that means here. That means between these two, that is 40. 40, 34, almost middle. So this is second point. And similarly, what is about the third point? 76. 76. 70 here, 70, it comes here, 70, 76 means almost near to this point here. This is the first, second, third point. Similarly, what is the next point? 130. So the procedure I have given, first convert the class interval. So first into cumulative class interval. This is already given in the problem and it is already converted to less than series or more than series. Usually they have converted into less than series. So less than series we have given. So less than series, that is less than. So similarly, first point, second point, third point, that is fourth cumulative, fifth cumulative, like that, sixth and fifth. How many cumulatives are there? So these are the cumulatives we have. So these cumulatives, zero is not required here. So from this point to this point, we are going to locate the median. Whatever the shape we are going to get, that is points, if you connect, we are going to get a particular shape that is called as J shape. That is why they are called as ogives. So this is called as ogive curve. This is called as ogive curve. How to locate the median now? So how to locate the median? Take the total of these frequencies. How much? 200. 200 divided by 2. How much? 100. So 100. So 100 is here. So perpendicular to this. Here it intersect here. This is 100. So 200 divided. We know that positional formula. What is that positional formula? N divided by 2. Because this is a continuous series. N divided by 2. How much we are going to get? That is nothing but 100. 100 divided 100. So 100 is here. 100. So connect this point and this point to this connect here. This is the median. Median value is here. So median value is this one is the median value. So 439 to 449, between these two values we find the median value. So this is under less than series perpendicular. So draw a perpendicular from 100 to right to cut the ogive curve. So perpendicular right to cut the ogive. So perpendicular right here, cut the ogive from this point here. This point is called as median marks or median. So this is the median point, and if you count this way, we are going to get the median. So the point where it touches the x-axis will be the median value of the series, and it is shown in the graph. This is a method of showing the ogives median in the graph. So in the next problem, we can also shown in the more than ogive. So this is the second problem. We are already given the same problem, but it is given in the different, that is lower limit is given here, 409.5, 419, that is a continuity is there, 0.5, that is, it is converted into exclusive already. It is converted, and then we are already given the cumulative. Same way, how we are located, same way. So here, first point is here. Same way we are located. Go through that 419. So 409 to 479. This is the class interval. 409. How much? 200. So it comes from this point 200. Where it is this 409 is here. So this point. So you can touch this one, no problem, or you can commence from this point also. So it is usually we are that is from this point we are commencing. We are touching all these two lines also. So same way, this is frequency. Sorry, this is class interval. This is frequency. So this point, this is first point 200. What is the next point? So next point is here. Next point is 260. Sorry, 180. Sorry, this is 186. Next 166. So 186, this is 186, this is 186, 166, like that. Every point is coming from this, more than series coming from this way to this downward, but less than series going from the bottom to upward trend. This is showing upward trend, this is showing downward trend, this is showing the downward trend. This also J-shaped curve. So this is called as more than, this is called as more than ogive. How it is to locate? Same, n divided by, that is 200 divided by 200. 100 is here, where it touches the ogive. From this point to this, we are going to get the median. So how we locate the median under the what is that less than or give, same way we are going to locate the median in the more than or give also. Here also same point we touches. If you calculate by using formula, you are going to get the exact value. Here also we are going to get the exact value. This may be around 444. This is 444. It is between these two, 440. Between these two lines, we are going to get the median. This is more than median. Next, less than, more than Argave curve. So this is under this method, we find the two Argaves because one is come from the low more than Argave and then another one is less than Argave. Where these two touches, from that point we are going to get the median. How it is possible? Let us see. So I have this is the problem. So here, yeah. So calculation of less than and more than Argave here. So we are given the problem here. See, this is a problem. Less than Argave and more than Argave. So first convert this 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So this is cumulative frequency from, this is from the, what is that? More than Argave. More than Argave, this is this one, 10, 20, 30, more than Argave. And then less than Argave here. That is this way. That is, we are coming from the this way. 2 plus 7. That is this. What is the difference? 40 plus 38 minus 2. That is 2. And then this minus this one. So in this way, we are going to get the 7. That is 40 minus 33, 7. And 40 minus 20, that is 16. Like that, we have cumulative frequency. We are going to get in the less than and as well as the more than. How we can construct? So this is greater than or more than Argave curve, and this is less than Argave curve. This is less than, this is greater than. So 40, 38, 33, 24, 10 and 3. This is more than Argave curve. Less than, where we these 2 points are intersect, this point is considered as median. So this point, that means it may be, it comes from the 40 to 40, 50 class. So exact median value here, it is the median value. So this is the calculation of median. Next, this problem, same problem can be, that is, this problem is same, that is less than and more than are connected here. In this problem, same problem, if you work it out the less than and more than, where we get, so that is the same problem. For this, the same problem we have worked out. Next, come to next problem. Yeah. Draw an Argave curve and from it read out the median and quartiles. So quartiles are not necessary here. Only median we can work out. 10 to 20, 20 to 30. These are the class interval. First, when this problem is given like this, it is in the exclusive class. Then first convert them into either less than or more than, anyone. It is better to convert them into less than. Less than is always, that is upper limit only. So less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, then cumulate. 21 plus 19, 40, 40 plus 60, 100, like that, cumulate. So this can be used for the location, not this one. Okay, this is a problem. First, we have to convert them into less than frequency. So less than method is always comments from the upper limit. That is why less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, like that. Cumulative frequency means adding these frequency, we are going to get a cumulative frequency. Now, how we can locate them? How we can locate? See here. See first, what is the value? Cumulative, class intervals. That first one, 10 to 20. So first one, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. These are the class interval. Then locate the, that is 21. First one, 21. 21. So 21, 40, like that. So 20, 40, 60. Yeah. So 21. So here 21. First point 21 means here almost this point. 21. 40 means here, what is the first, second class? Second class. Here, second class, this is the second class. So that is here 20, 30. Yeah, 30, that is how much is 40. Yeah, 40. Second point is here, second point here. What is the third point? 100. 100, that means put a point here. This is the point. 40 ke 100 it kodi. What is the next one? 142. 140, that is 140. 142 means almost this point only. Put another point here for 50. Put here. Next, like this. Next, connect this point. We are going to get a Augev curve. So how to locate the median and mode? So first, median is enough. That is n divided by 2. That is 102 divided by 2. So that comes to 100.5. 100.5. So 100.5. So here 100.5 is here. 100.5. So this is median. 40.5. See. 40.12 is the median. See here, 100. See this one, 100.5. This is equal to 100, 100 and point. And the 0.5 means here. So it here. So here, this we are going to get the median. This is location of the median. Next, come to two Augeves, less than and more than. We convert this first one, less than, that is 40, 50. Same way, we have to convert the cumulative. More than 20, 40, 60, 80, convert into number the cumulative from. So we have to locate from the, that is more than Augev here, less than Augev here, where we connect this point to this, we are getting the median. So let us work out this problem. Median, that is graph median only. So 60 L plus L, 60 minus 80, that is equal to 70. 78 is the median class. Just work out by the n by 2. N by 2 is nothing but how much? N 100, 50. 50 to this point to this point. This is 78. Let's see here. This point. This is 60 to 80. So this 78 is the median location. So this is under median. So this is the location of the median by using graphical method. In this session, I am coming to the conclusion part. In this session, we learned graphical location of the median. Augeves and cumulative Augeves shown through the location used to locate the median graphically. There are three types of Augeves: less than, more than, and simultaneous. So less than, more than, simultaneous Augeves. So this is called as simultaneous. That means we locate the both, and through that we locate the median. So this is called as simultaneous. Okay, these are the method of locating Augeves through mode graph. So now I am concluding the class. Thank you.